Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here and today I have come yet again with a swatch and review video. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any videos that I post. There was a sale going on in Amazon. It was a 6th and 7th August sale and you get lip liners for a very long time. But before ordering, I never knew. After I ordered from Amazon only, someone had told me that when I put up a story on Instagram, someone had actually mentioned to me saying that you should not buy cosmetics from Amazon because you cannot be sure whether a product is fake or not or whatever it is. Same, I'll make it a point I won't buy from Amazon, but as of now I had got these lip liners. This is from the company of Ads Pro. It is a photo finish color crayon makeup stick for lips, and this is in the shade A. I think this is the A bunch. But I have noticed one thing, these are all reds and oranges. There is no browns, there is no purples. I think there's a different set for that particular color range. So before we jump into anything, we'll just do the swatches first. Those were the swatches of the lip liners. So these lip liners originally retail for $269, but I got it at $189 on sale. And all set of 12 Ads lip liner is for $189. That is incredibly amazing. And I have heard about Ads Beauty a lot. I've heard about this company, but the funny part is I couldn't find them on anywhere in the net. I wanted to research about the company, know more about the company. I couldn't find them. I couldn't even find them on Instagram or Facebook. I just couldn't. I don't know what is the thing about it, but their lip liners are fabulous. People usually assume that if a product is so cheap, it's going to be bad quality, but according to me, it is supremely good. Just one swipe application and look at the pigmentation, okay? Each and every shade. There is not one shade that doesn't have good pigmentation, and one swipe application and you get this. Just try out a product, even if it's cheap, and see whether it's bad for you. Then decide whether it's bad or good, because just don't keep this mentality that, oh, this is so cheap, why should we buy, this not be good quality. It is good quality. Lip liners are so creamy, so good. And good thing that I noticed about these are each and every lip liner has this on top, and if you open it, it's a sharpener. Like, how fantastic is that? Like, each and every liner, I'm just going to pick it up. Can you see that? Each and everything opens into a sharpener, and that is fantastic, okay? Like, that's the biggest concern for us, carrying on sharpener separately in travel, and then you have to keep on sharpening. The good part about this is you don't need to carry a sharpener. You already have an inbuilt sharpener, which is really good. And you can also use this as a lip crayon, like a normal lip crayon, lipstick like type, and you'll be good to go. And my most favorite shades out of everything, I love each and every color in the set, but my favorite is Nude Beauty, and as well as Sexy Red and Russian Red. Those are my absolute favorites. They are so beautiful. Longevity of this, it stays easily on your lips from 8 to 10 hours. It won't budge. This is the lipstick I'm wearing, and I've been wearing it past 6 hours because I used it for a shoot, and I've been like just continuously wearing it and shooting, and for 6 hours I lined my lips with a deep raspberry, and it just stayed on. It didn't move, it didn't budge, and this gives a beautiful outline for your lipstick to sit beautifully. And the best part is, few lip liners which I have noticed, it will it will be shown separately from the lipstick even though you wear the same color lip liner, but this immediately merged into the lipstick and it still gave that shape that's supposed to give. That is a very good thing about a lip liner. And these are so good, so supremely pigmented and worth every money. To give the original price money, that is like $296 for 12 pieces, of course yes. I'm even planning to buy the other sets. This is A, right? I think I am planning to buy the B and C and all of those things. These are so beautiful and it's so pigmented, it's so creamy, and it is completely matte. It's matte on the lips and it's not having any sort of cream finish to it, but it applies like a cream and a butter. The consistency, the texture of it is so creamy, so it just glides on the lips so beautifully and it doesn't give you a problem at all, and it doesn't bleed or budge. And this also prevents your lipstick from budging and bleeding. People would ask me whether I'll recommend you people these. Absolutely yes, like why not? And I would highly recommend you people to buy this, and I will leave the link for this in the description box below. So that is it guys. If you found this review helpful, please do like, comment and share, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. We'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.